You want to make sure that you get all your makeup off your face at night. It's so important. But if you leave makeup on your face, it's so bad for your skin. So bad. So I always wipe my face with these Honest wipes because I don't want a bunch of chemicals. And then I wash my face. And then a lot of times I'll even use a toner to make sure that I get it all off. But the other trick that I will tell you is mascara. Mascara, you don't want to leave that on your face. And so I use old school Vaseline. Works like a charm. Keeps your eyes very moisturized too. So that's on my makeup. And then I take just a little bit of Vaseline, literally, and I just rub it on my eyelashes. And that's like a great way to clean makeup off your eyelashes. Mascara, waterproof, it doesn't matter. But it also helps keep them hydrated. So like a lot of this crap that you use to clean makeup off your eyes, girls, women, it has bad chemicals in it. So good old fashioned Vaseline, and I just kind of rub it on my eyes, on my eyelashes. I'm not pulling or anything crazy like that. It gets them so clean. So like, look at that. If you use pencils on your brow, you can clean those too like this. But love it. Super easy. And then if you need to, at the very end, I just take a Q-tip and make sure that I kind of just rub it along my lash line so that there's nothing left on my lashes that is going to cause issues while I'm sleeping. Because again, you want to get all that off your face. You want your skin to be so clean so it can breathe at night. So there you have it. My day's worth of makeup. Wild, right? So I take my makeup off with this at night. I'm going to show you all these products. I brush my teeth with Biocide toothpaste to prevent Fusobacterium in my gut. I love this lytic cleanser by Epionce because it helps me with acne. I then use a little bit of Lytic Plus, which also helps me with acne. I'm not a big retinol fan anymore. I love my Epionce serum. My One Skin eye cream is amazing. Perfect Derma Pill. This is for discoloration. It helps with my dark spots. I then do some Techno Neck, and oh my gosh, Dr. Newman's skin stuff is amazing, so I sleep in this. I also use these hyaluronic eye patches when I sleep. I love them for my eyes. I have my LDN that I take and my magnesium, and then I wear a bite guard. So that's what happens.